Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ludo King online. First, you will need to download the Ludo King application, which is available on most mobile devices. Once installed, open the app and you can either play as a guest or log in using your Facebook account for more features. This simple setup takes less than 1 minute, allowing you to quickly dive into the fun. You are now ready to explore the exciting world of online Ludo King. Ludo King offers several engaging online modes. The Play Online option instantly matches you with 2 or 4 random players from around the world, perfect for quick matches. If you prefer playing with people you know, select Play with Friends. Here, you can create a private room and share a unique 6-digit code with up to 3 friends, ensuring a personalized gaming experience. These options provide flexibility for every player. Gameplay in Ludo King is straightforward yet strategic. Each player has 4 tokens and takes turns rolling a 6-sided dice. You need to roll a 6 to bring a token out of your home base. The goal is to move all 4 of your tokens around the board and into the central home area. Capturing an opponent's token by landing on their square sends it back to their starting point, giving you a significant advantage. To consistently win in Ludo King, consider these advanced tips. Try to get all 4 of your tokens out of the home base as quickly as possible to maximize your movement options. Strategically block opponents by placing 2 of your tokens on the same square, creating a safe zone. Always be on the lookout for opportunities to capture an opponent's token, setting them back significantly. Finally, prioritize moving your tokens safely into the home column.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.